It is the mango season and the hearts are dancing with joy. Even the prawns seem to be drawn to the sweet scent of the mangoes. It's almost like they know these two are a natural pairing. And what better way to celebrate than with a vibrant prawn and mango salsa? We've got our stars ready to go, so let's make some magic in the kitchen. Chop one small onion. We will wash it with salt to take out its pungent smell and sharp taste. Mix salt and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Press the onions like this to extract all the unwanted liquid, after which it will taste sweet. Wash thoroughly and dry. Now let's move on to preparing our mango. You need to dice one large mango in medium-sized chunks. Now we move on to the prawns. I've got the prawns peeled and prepped. Season them with salt. Now take just a little bit of oil in a pan. Place your prawns once the oil is hot and you can hear the sizzling sound. Cook on both sides for just 2 minutes or until they turn pink. Do not overcook or they will become rubber-like and chewy. Pink, pink, not pink. Not pink. Let's make the twirl. I've got flour and water in measurements as displayed on the screen. I'm going to season it with salt and black pepper in ratios listed here. Give it a mix. Add some oil. Now roll this dough into small-sized balls. Flatten them into shapes of small discs as you can see already placed on the board. Remember to properly thin up the edges by pressing. You don't need a rolling pin for that. You can press them with your fingers. I'm going to cook them in the leftover oil from the prawns so that they can soak up the taste of the prawns. This kind of taste is not for everyone, so you should first make one and taste it. Use a clean pan and fresh oil if you don't like the taste. The twirls can be of any shape, but they must be thin and crispy. Keep turning them over so that they crisp up evenly. Now add the washed and prepped onions, a little at a time, in ratios according to your liking. Season them according to the listed spices. Use chili flakes if you don't have chaat masala. I like less onions and more mangoes. I'm using balsamic vinegar because it's sweet and fruity. Better to keep tasting it while adding little at a time. In my opinion, it pairs best with fruit-based salsa. You can use red wine vinegar as well. Some salt to taste. Now let's check how it is. I'm going to use a ring to prevent it from scattering. Press it while spooning it out to help it maintain shape. Always clean your plate before serving. Now let me show you the final look. If you don't want to plate it like I did, then you can enjoy it in a simple hearty way like this.